Good morning to Razmafsar TV. Qaddare. Qaddare, as I mentioned it to you, you can truss with it, you can cut, and it has a back edge on top of it. You see that? I just come close to the camera and you see that? So this part is a back edge. So you can also do backhand cut with it. Admittedly, not as strong as a qaddare because a qaddare is double-edged, you can use both edges. But the advantage of qaddare is because it is curved a bit, it can cut better than a straight blade as it is qaddare. It can also truss because it's not truss much better than a shamshir. Shamshir can truss as well, of course, especially over the shield or behind the shield. But this is not as curved, so it can truss easily as well. So it cuts better and it can truss, okay, not in a straight line, almost in a straight line as a qaddare does, and it can do also backhand cut. One of the other advantages of qaddare is you can not only defend and make a bridge with the back, with the flat of the blade, but you can also do it with the back of the blade, right? So you can defend also like that, because it's very thick, as you can see, and it's unsharpened. You see the back up to here, and you can do it. For example, I will show it to you. I defend like this, then I can cut, or I can come and defend like this, right? And then I can come and cut. I show it from this with the flat, and I can cut, or I can do it this way, and I can cut. Both are possible, right? And for some reason, once you do it with the flat, of course the blade of your opponent slides off on it. When it is on the back, it can cut it, catch it much better. So for a fraction of a second, the blade of the opponent gets stuck a bit, much more than it is on the flat of the blade. When you fight, you will see that. Right? So you can defend like that. I can cut. I can defend like that. I can cut. So you see, without moving, you do it like this and cut. You do it with the flat, or you do it with the back and cut. Flat and cut. Back and cut. Then once you got better, you come back flat and cut. Come the back and cut. Come flat and cut. Come with the back and cut. Come with the flat and cut. Come with the back and cut. Come with the flat and cut. Right? So this exercise you can do. I do it from here without moving. Flat and cut. Back and cut. Flat and cut. Back and cut. I do with movement. Flat of the blade and cut. Back of the blade and cut. Flat of the blade and cut. Back of the blade and cut. I showed you this side. Flat of the blade and cut. This is flat of the blade without moving and cut. Back of the blade and cut. Flat of the blade and cut. Back of the blade and cut. So this is a simple exercise but very effective to make sure that you can use both sides of your qaddare for defense. Stay tuned for more techniques with qaddare soon.